this video I am gonna tell you how to become Sigma women. Own your choices. Stop asking for opinions. Pick what you want: clothes, food, plans, and go with it. Quick win. Decide one thing today. For example, what to eat without anyone's input. Stay chill and confident. Act like you've got it together, even if you don't feel it yet. Stand straight. Speak clearly. Fake it till it's real. Easy move. Next time you're out, hold your head high and don't fidget. Enjoy your own company. Do one thing alone that you like: watch a show, take a walk, whatever, and don't text anyone about it. Try this. Spend 15 minutes solo today. No phone, just you. Say no without guilt. If you don't want to do something, say no, thanks, and leave it there. No excuses needed. Start now. Turn down one small thing this week and feel the power. Focus on one goal. Pick something simple you want. For example, read a book, save $50, and do one tiny step toward it daily. Action. Write it down now and do the first step today.